Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow travelers. Unboxed here, and today I want to take just a second to take a quick look at this Invicta right here. Now, this isn't going to be a full unboxing, and it isn't going to be a review because I've already reviewed this watch. And it is this piece right here, the Invicta Pro Diver. I'll put a link in the down yonder to this video. The reason I am showing this piece, this is actually my son's Father's Day present from his daughter, my granddaughter. This is the one I took her to the store, and this is the one she picked out. She wanted to get him a watch. That was her choice, not mine. I didn't push her into that. She said, I want to go get him a watch. I said, okay. We went to the store, and this is the one she picked out for him, and I think she did a pretty good job. So we pop it open, take a look, and you'll notice his is a little bit different than mine, which I think is really cool. Now, I've never been a huge fan of two-tones, but I've gotten into them lately. I don't know what it is. I think it is my experience with this Bulova right here, this Precisionist, which I did an unboxing of the other day. And it is a two-tone, and I've been wearing the snot out of this thing. And I think that's just really gotten me used to two-tones, and to where I'm actually starting to like them. And I do think this one looks pretty darn good. So this is, like I said, it's just a follow-up to the review I did of this unit right here. Because it's a different coloration, I figured you guys might want to see it on camera, seeing somebody holding it, see what the difference is, to see if maybe you want to pick one up. So let me bring you in, you can take a closer look. Alright, got you guys moved in on the Invicta Pro Diver. You can see they've got a nice sunburst blue on that dial. Really came out well. I like that aluminum ring on the bezel. So all this stuff holds true from the original review of this guy, but you'll notice the bezels are slightly different. You know, I've got this scalloped edged on mine, and we've got this almost coin edge on this one. So I do actually like the coin edge a little bit better, I think. It's definitely easier to purchase than these scallops on this one. These can be a little bit hard to turn. But other than that, it's basically the same exact thing, same movement, same bracelet, just with a coloration difference. You see we've got the gold links in the middle versus the silver links, polished silver links on mine. Got polished gold on his. Got the Invicta branding on the side, which you guys know I like. I know that's personal preference. Some guys like it, some guys hate it. I'm fine with it. You got the wings on the second hand, just like on mine. Very nice piece, but I just want to take a quick minute to show you guys this coloration difference, this variant on this. But I think that's going to do it for this. Sure do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me, as always, and until next time, you guys get out there, make some noise. See ya.